Sometimes grihastas or the household devotees in our movement, they give up the attitude of preaching spirit and think that first I have to make a very, very nice, comfortable situation for my grihasta life. Otherwise I can't be happy. This is my duty. And we see that as a result, they put themselves isolated from the other Vaishnavas. At the same time, they keep the spirit, I'm a devotee, I want to see Krishna, I want to do everything. But because of their material desires, they're actually, because they've given up the preaching spirit of helping with compassion those who are in misery, those who are the fallen souls in this material world, by giving them the gift of Krishna consciousness. And they have taken that off of the as the central objective of their life. And instead they have put in their life the first comfortable living first, then I will preach, then I will do my service. What happens? They get involved in fruitive activities, they're isolated from devotees, they get misled.